श्रीमान Ravangwara Narsari ji.
Thank you, sir. My matter is demand to enhance the power and functions of the autonomous councils created under the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India. Sir, the Constitution of India provides unique provision for tribals of India to govern themselves. Thanks to the primaries of the Constitution of India for giving space to 9% tribal communities of India, the Constitution provides self-rule autonomy under the provision of 6th schedule to the Constitution of India to protect and fulfill economic, educational, linguistic aspiration, preservation of land rights, socio-culture and ethnic identity, and to speed up the infrastructure development to keep pace at par with the other regions of the country, sir. The Government of India created 10 numbers of autonomous council under the provision of 6th schedule to the Constitution with the objectives of taking special care to uplift tribal peoples in the Northeast. Sir, the process of creating autonomous district council started from 1951. Creating Karbi Anglong District Council and NCL's Autonomous District Council in 1952 in Assam. United Khasi Jointia Autonomous District Council was established in 1952. Later, Mara, Lai and Sagma Autonomous District Council was created in 1971 and 72 respectively in Mizoram. Sir, likewise, Tripura Tribal Area Autonomous District Council and the Bodoland Territorial Area District was created in 1985 and 2003 respectively. Sir, the Government of India initiated to review and reform the power and functions of the 6th Schedule Council after 68 years of journey, 1951 to 2019, and tabled the Constitution 150 Amendment Bill 2019 in Rajya Sabha to amend Article 280 among others. This progressive bill aims to augment the administrative and financial powers and functions of the 6th Schedule Council, but the bill is still pending in Rajya Sabha, sir. Sir, 2020 Bodo Accord elapsed 5 years now, and as per clause 4.3 of the Bodo Peace Accord, the Government of India committed to amend Article 280 and the Constitution 120 Amendment Bill 2019 for empowering the Bodoland Territorial Council. Sir, after a lapse of 5 years, despite 70% of the 2020 Bodo Accord implementation, the proper guidance of the Union, under the proper guidance of the Union Minister Sri Amit Shah ji and the Assam government, several key clauses remain pending. Today, the people of Bodoland demand urgent and complete fulfillment without any more delay, sir. As the country moves jubilantly towards Viksit Bharat in 2014 under the visionary leadership Narendra Modi ji, and has been taking several revolutionary reforms to transform India into Viksit Bharat, my question today is, why has the 6 Schedule Councils remained stagnant for the last 74 years, thereby lacking the rightful share of development to the tribals? Should not the Government of Bharat do vibrant reforms for 6 Schedule Council as proposed in the 120 Amendment Bill 2019 at the earliest, so that 6 Schedule Councils are also can be